Hi, so today I want to take you through a wonderful exercise working with balancing the yin and the yang energies. In Chinese medicine, we have this dichotomy, which is yin and yang, and you might have heard of these terms before, but yin is an example of yin is the feminine. It's also the energy of the moon. It's the energy of calmness and rest. And energies that are yang are the masculine. That's going to be like the energies of the sun. It's going to be the energies of moving forward on something. So I want to work with the ideas of yin and yang, doing an exercise called Yin and Yang Circles. So to begin this one, we're going to get into a posture with the feet. So I'm going to invite you to take a step forward with your right foot. Let that foot face the screen you're looking at, and let the back foot be out to an angle. And make sure there's a space between the legs to make sure that you feel nice and steady. Take your left hand and bring it right to your heart. Take a breath in. On the exhale, let's push forward. Drop it down. Gather some energy with the right hand. Bring it into your heart. Exhale, push it behind you. Gather with the left arm behind you. Circle around. Exhale, push forward. Inhale, gather. Exhale, push back. Inhale. Exhale. So the idea is you're making a circular motion, very yin, bring the energy into the heart. Exhale, push behind you, very linear, very yang. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gather into the heart, push it out. The heart is both the balance of yin and yang. So we're working with both for the heart. Gather into the heart, push it forward. Gather into the heart, push it back. One more time. Gather, push it forward. Gather in front and push it back. Great. Let's come back to parallel feet. And we'll set up the posture going the other way. So this time, take a step forward with your left foot and let your right foot be out at a slight angle. All right, let's begin this time with the right hand here at the heart. Take a breath in and then exhale, push it forward. Gather some energy with your left hand, bring it down into the heart and push it behind you. Gather behind you, bring it into the heart, push it forward. So we're keeping the knees bent with this one, so you want to have flexible knees as you gather this energy. Pushing forward, gathering in front, pushing back. Inhale, exhale. Feel free to breathe in and out through the nose. It's always okay to breathe in and out through the nose. If you're feeling any tension at all, exhale through the mouth. Gather, exhale. Gather in front, push it back. One more time. Gather behind you. Bring it in, push it forward, gather in front of you, bring it into the heart, push it back. Good. Take a moment, bring your feet back to parallel. Let your hands rest over your heart, kind of the center of all of this. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose, letting it settle here, feeling a sense of calmness in the heart. Good. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.